You planning to start a small business in Germany this year, or are you already registered as a Kleinunternehmer? Then this video is for you, because there are some major updates in 2025 could have a big impact on your taxes, your paperwork and how you run your business. In today's episode, I will walk you through the 4 essential changes every small business owner in Germany should know about. Hello everyone, my name is Balaji and together with my wife, we create videos on German rules and regulations. Quick question before we get going. Are you already registered as a Kleinunternehmer or do you plan to register this year? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Vanakkam Germany. Every new subscriber means a lot for us. This video is sponsored by Vanakkam Germany, the one-stop for expats. If you're one among them who want to start a business in Germany, got confused with multiple legal norms or don't have any idea whom to contact or no idea about what are the steps need to be followed to set up a business successfully in Germany, you can book an appointment with Vanakkam Germany using the link given in description. We are not certified experts to guide you how to start a business in Germany, but we can share our personal experience how we established Vanakkam Germany since 2022. So don't wait. Kindly click the link given in the description and we will wait for you. What is the Kleinunternehmerregelung? The government introduced this Kleinunternehmerregelung to support small businesses and encourage more people to start companies, especially those testing a new idea or starting a business alongside a regular job. There was always a misunderstanding with this particular term. Kleinunternehmerregelung is not a type of company or a legal entity. It is a VAT regulation under the Section 19 of the German VAT law. If your turnover stays under a certain limit, you don't have to charge VAT on your invoices or submit monthly pre-VAT returns. The main benefits are simpler bookkeeping, no VAT paperwork, lower prices for private customer. We have an earlier video explaining how the Kleinunternehmerregelung works with simple examples, and I will show you once again for the reference here and also attach it in the cards.
Assume two people are providing the same services and same product in the market. One collects the Umsatzsteuer and one doesn't collect the Umsatzsteuer. So obviously customer will prefer to buy a product from the person who is not collecting the Umsatzsteuer because they can save their money. In that way, government is supporting the Kleinunternehmer people to motivate and run a business in Germany.
Now that we have got the basics covered, let's talk about the new changes for 2025. First one, the higher revenue limits. Up to 2024, you could be a Kleinunternehmer if your previous year revenue was less than 22,000 and your expected revenue for the current year stayed under 50,000. But in 2025, these thresholds are increased to 25,000 euros for the previous year, the net turnover, and 100,000 euros for the current year, again net turnover. That's great news. It gives you more flexibility to grow your business. Let me explain with a simple example. Let's say my wife Priya runs a part-time consultancy. In 2024, she earned 21,000 euros and qualified for the Kleinunternehmer status. In 2025, she expects 96,000 euros, still she qualifies. But if she expects 105,000 euros, she won't be eligible and will need to charge VAT to every customer. So do you think that these higher limits will make it easier for the people to become self-employed in Germany? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Next update is immediate loss of status. The old rule is if you went over the limit, you kept your Kleinunternehmer status until the following year. The new rule is 100,000 is now a strict cutoff. As soon you pass this limit, you lose your status and must start charging VAT immediately. Again, an example scenario. Imagine you're running an online store for custom t-shirts. In October, the huge corporate order pushes an annual turnover to 102,000 euros. The next invoice after crossing 100,000 euros must include VAT with no grace period. And you see how tracking your turnover throughout a year is super important, and in this case, what tools or apps do you use to monitor your finances for your business? Share your tips below. Next update is about the E-invoicing. The requirement starting in 2025, all business including Kleinunternehmer must be able to receive electronic invoices, E-Rechnungen, in formats like X-Rechnung. For example, if a corporate customer sends you an invoice in this format, you will need suitable software to process it. Just Excel or PDF won't always do the trick. Some popular accounting tools like Lexware, Safdesk and Billowmat. Personally, we have been using Safdesk for years and highly recommend it. If you want to open an account in Safdesk, you can also use our referral links which is given in the description. So which accounting software do you people use, or are you still doing everything by hand? How prepared are you for the e-invoicing? Type your answers, I would love to know it. Fourth point, higher thresholds for full bookkeeping. In Germany, businesses can calculate profits with a simple cash basis report, Einnahmeüberschussrechnung, or they may need to do a full financial statement with a balance sheet. Up to now, you had to switch to do full accounting if you earn over 60,000 euros profit or had more than 600,000 euros in revenue. For the year 2025, these limits jumped to 80,000 euros profit or 800,000 euros in revenue. Example, imagine you own a bakery and make a profit of 75,000 euros in 2024. You can stick with your simple Einnahmeüberschussrechnung accounting. In 2025, if you reach 82,000 euros profit, then you must switch to the full double entry bookkeeping. So these are the 4 major updates which has been implemented in the year 2025 for the Kleinunternehmerregelung. Which of these changes do you think will impact you the most? The raised revenue limits, the immediate loss of status, or the new invoicing rules? It wraps up the most important changes to the Kleinunternehmerregelung in 2025. If you found this video is helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with other friends who might benefit. Good luck with your business, and remember, keeping close track of these numbers has never been more important. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Balaji.